Myself Dr. Ankita, Assistant Professor in RPIT Medical and Technical Campus, Karnal. Today I will discuss about the physiological factor influences of RBC number. My topic name is blood. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Physiological factor influencing RBC numbers. RBC count is very high at birth, 8 to 10 millions the count of higher in children than in adults. RBC count is raised at high temperature in warm temperature during excitement. In women, RBC count is relatively low during pregnancy. A fall of RBC count is seen low altitude. Hemoglobin Hb is the most important constituent of red blood cells. It is responsible transport of O2 from lungs to tissue and CO2 from tissues to lungs. The normal value in a normal male adult is 13 to 18 gram 100 ml and in male is 11.5 to 16.5 gram 100 ml. Molecules of hemoglobin is large and complex. They are made up of heme and globin. Heme is made up of iron, is ferrous from and porphyrin. Globin is a protein that has 4 polypeptides chain, 2 alpha and 2 beta. Each unit of Hb contains 4 units of heme that are united together by the alpha and beta chains of globin. Each unit of heme can combine with 1 molecules of O2, so 1 molecules of Hb can carry 4 molecules of O2. Each RBC carries about 280 million Hb molecules. Therefore, each RBC has ability to carry over a billion O2 molecules. Hb with O2 is called oxyhemoglobin and Hb without O2 called deoxyhemoglobin. This is the Hb structure. बीटा चेन होती है ये ऑरेंज और ये पिंक की अल्फा चेन है, ये F2 हेमी है. Hemoglobin and iron containing heme groups. Next है फिर types of normal Hb. First है fetal hemoglobin HbF alpha 2 and beta gamma 2 presents in the fetus during the last 7 months of the development in the uterus and replaced by adult Hb within 6 months after birth. Adult hemoglobin HbA consists of HbA alpha 2 beta 2 95%, HbA to alpha 2 gamma 2 1.5 to 3%, very small amounts of HbF alpha 2 and gamma 2. Recycling RBC at the end of erythrocytes lifespan. Their constituents Hb are broken down to heme and globin and reused to form new erythrocytes. Iron released from heme is carried by transferrin protein into the blood and then to various tissue, bone marrow, liver. Porphyrin released from heme is converted into a yellow pigment called bilirubin. Bilirubin is an insoluble, unconjugated form. It is taken by liver cells, changed to soluble from conjugated form and excreted into bile. In the large intestine, conjugated bilirubin is converted into stercobilinogen by action of bacteria and then into stercobilin, which is responsible for brown color of faces. Some stercobilinogen is absorbed into blood and excreted into urine, which called urobilinogen. Exposure to air convert into urobilin. Thank you.